Hey guys, what's up? How are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. Anyway, I realized my video about Gocar the other day had like 10k views and I'm not even proud of that video. That video sucks, don't watch it. So anyway, I decided I'm gonna do a refresh of how you can book a Gocar. Yeah, so let's do that right now. Alright, so in case you're not aware of what Gocar is essentially a car rental software which allows you to rent a car without any human intervention. You can unlock a car with just the app. This is quite amazing. So right, this is the app, and right now I want to try to make a booking. So I just set the start and end date. I'm gonna choose this time, hit next. Okay, it's gonna show that it's fully booked because right now I'm a bit late. So anyway, I'm gonna hit on view next availability. It's showing that the next available slot is actually so after that I'm gonna just hit on that availability and it's gonna change the date. The price per day is only 99 ringgit, which is quite cheap for a local rental. And then the pickup point is here. There's a map. If you hit on the map, it's going to give you the Uber and the Waze direction. So for now, I'm just going to hit book now. So this is where I'm going to pick that up. Alright, I get a 6 ringgit off, and then now I'm going to hit checkout. And I use this credit card. And then I'm going to hit confirm. And then that's it. Reservation confirmed. It's time to go there. Okay guys, so now we're gonna locate the car and you can do that from the app. All you have to do is just hit navigate. Okay, so now I'm gonna hit Google Maps. Oh, it's right in front of us. Okay, let's go. So one thing cool about the Gocar is they are located everywhere around KL and they are normally parked in these kind of public places where you can just walk up to the car. Some of them are parked inside the apartments. If you are booking, remember to check whether it's residents only. Some cars are actually residents only because you cannot enter the apartment. But otherwise, wow, this is amazing because you can just walk right next to the car and unlock the car without any human intervention. And this is the car. Ta-da-da-da. Okay, we're still too early. It's only like 2:43. Our rental starts at 3, so we have to wait another 17 minutes. Yeah, okay, the waiting starts now.
A few moments later.
It's 2:56, time to go. Okay, now I'm gonna hit start trip, right? If you have any damage, you can report them. I saw some scratches at the front, so I'm gonna hit that. Let's take a photo. The start trip is now illuminated, so I can hit on that. Press OK. Wow! Immediately unlocked! So fast! So now that we're in the car, all you need to do is open the glove compartment and there should be a box in there. Okay, take it out. You see there's a lot of numbers on the thing. Okay, the passcode is in the application. So the PIN code is 5871. Bam! Okay.
The code is always changing, so no.
Yeah, the code will change over time, so don't worry. So now I have the key. It's time to start the engine. Forgot to mention also you need to report the starting fuel level. In this case it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then I hit save. You have to return the car with the same amount of fuel as when you collect it. So that's something to keep in mind. And now we're ready to go! Alright, before you return the car, remember to pump the petrol back to its regular level. Remember to pump the petrol back to its regular level before you get the car. So yeah, that's what we're doing now. Alright, time to go. Alright, so before you return, also remember to clear all the trash. Sorry, Amalia has to do that.
And make sure nothing is left behind here, because otherwise you have to call the support to reopen the lock, the car itself.
But the support is actually very responsive. One time we actually left some stuff in the car. We asked them to open up the car and within like few minutes, ding, it's open. Okay, if you want to return the key, remember that the passcode for this thing could have changed overnight. So now we're gonna open up the Gocar app again, and then we're gonna view reservation, and then the key code is 5871.
I think it's the same.
Unlock, okay. And then we're gonna return the key, put it inside, right? And then lock it, press 5871 again, and then pull it, done. And then put it back into the compartment. Bam! So now everything is done. I'm gonna hit end trip, so just hit that. Okay, they'll require you to take the front third quarter and the rear third quarter. I'm gonna do that right now. And then the rear third quarter. Report the fuel level. I pump it back to the original level, so I put 5 bars there. And then just submit and continue. You can rate your Gocar experience. I'm gonna give it a 5-star. And then I just hit end trip. Okay, it prompts you to check that you have all your belongings with you. And then make sure you switch off the car headlights and interior light. And then I'm gonna hit end trip. Okay, it should lock really quickly. Okay, let's see how fast. And whoa! So fast! So that's it for our Gocar experience. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down and give a suggestion on what we should do in our tutorial videos. And as always, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel especially, we have a lot of content, especially travel and also photography. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget us!
If you can't say anything real nice, it's better not to talk at all, is my advice.